Hare Krishna. So today we will take one shloka. Actually, I have made this shloka's presentation for 1 minute and I have uploaded this on in social medias. But we will take this shloka again and we will present this in just 5 minutes. Okay. So it will be in English and that was in Marathi. Okay. So shloka from the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 8, shloka number 16. ब्रह्म भुवनालोकाः पुनरावर्तिनोऽर्जुन माम उपेत्ते तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. So Lord Krishna is saying here, Brahma Bhunalokaha. Brahma Bhunar means he is speaking about the planetary system, Brahmaloka. So we have a 14 planetary system in Vedic cosmology. Topmost is Brahmaloka, last to the down to the Patal Loka. And we are in the middle planetary system called as Bhuloka. So above Bhuloka, there are 6 planets. Below Bhuloka, there are 7 planets. Just like this is a Bhuloka, the next is Bhurloka, then Svargaloka, then Maharloka, then Janaloka, then Tapaloka, then Satyaloka or Brahmaloka. These are the 6 above, and down is Atala, Vittala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, Patala. Okay, these are the 7 planetary system below us, means below middle planetary system. So there are 14 planetary system. So what Krishna is saying is here that right from the top of the Brahmaloka, which is the topmost planet, where we can live thousands and thousands and thousands of the years, but still right from the top of the planet Brahmaloka to the down Pataloka, everywhere there is miseries, everywhere there is birth and death. Punaravartino Arjuna, hey Arjuna, there is again birth and death, again birth and death, again birth and death. And then Krishna says, Mam upette tu kaunteya. Mam means he is telling about himself. Mam upette tu kaunteya. Arriving. Upette tu means arriving. Those who arriving me, those who arriving unto me, or those who come to my kingdom, there is no birth and death. He says lastly, Punarjanma na vidyate. Punarjanma means reincarnation. Punarjanma. Just we are the soul or jivas. When we die, we take another birth. It may be a demigod, it may be an animal, plant, whatever. There are 8,400,000 species of life. So we may take birth in any of the species. But it is said that Jatasya dhrom mrityur dhrom janma mritasya. One who have taken a birth, sure to die. And one who died, sure to take birth again. Same Krishna is saying here, you go in the universe everywhere, topmost planet to the down. Everywhere there is a birth and death, repeated cycle of birth and death. But one who attains my loka, my planetary system, my kingdom, there is no birth and death. There is no janmattu jaravyadhi. There is no chinta, anxiety. So what is there then? Krishna's kingdom is full of eternity, full of knowledge, full of bliss. Means the kingdom of the God is Satchit Ananda. And we are also Satchit Ananda. But now we have engaged in this body and we are identifying with this body. Therefore, we are suffering. So, Krishna says that Punarjanmana vidyate. To whom? Those who come to me. Then how we can go to Krishna, Krishna's kingdom? So Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Manmana ko mat bhakta madhyati mam namaskuru. Always think of me, become my devotee. Always your homage unto me. Satatam kirtayanto mam. always chant holy name of Krishna, always chant holy name of me. Yadgatvan nivartante tadhamam paramam mama. No one returns back to this mortal world after coming to me. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself, appeared on this planet 500 years ago. He also says that Amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. Kirtaniya sadahari. He also says that always do kirtana, always chant glories of the holy name. And he introduced the Yuga Dharma, which is chanting of the holy name of the Krishna, and that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So our aim must be to go out of this prison house and to attain our perfect stage, that is Krishna consciousness stage, which is full of bliss, full of knowledge, and full of eternity. Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.